Hey guys, Tom from Horizon Hobby and Spektrum RC here to give you another iX12 tutorial. This one we're going to cover wing type and tail type. So there's a menu in here that you assign different wing and tail types. It's going to be one of the first things that you do when you set up an airplane. So we'll go ahead and do that. So first we're going to change it over to a airplane type. So selecting a wing type or tail type essentially pre-assigns your servo outputs to do certain functions like right to left aileron, right to left elevator, things along that nature. So that's why you choose a wing type. It helps setup be a lot more intuitive. It's easier, it does a lot of things for you, it does mixes for you that you normally would have to do one by one, where it does it all at once by choosing a wing type and tail type. So let's go back to the screen. We're going to go to our main menu, and we're going to tap on Model Setup, that middle button down on the bottom. And we're going to select Aircraft Type there in the right column. You're going to tap and hold to proceed, because we're changing some things. It doesn't want to have RF going out, just in case as a safety guideline. We've got wing and tail, and you see we've got some fairly basic setups right now, normal and normal. Let's change that by tapping here, and we've got a lot of different wings that we can choose from. We've got elevons, we've got 6 aileron, we've got flaperon. So elevon, we'll choose that just because it's an interesting one that does some pre-mixes for us. Elevon A. Alright, so it's assigned that to elevon A. And then on the tail, we could use normal, we could use dual rudder, dual elevator, taileron, whatever works for your model. We'll just do dual rudder and 1 elevator. Okay, so to kind of explore what this has done, so we're going to go back to the model setup, we're going to go back to the main screen, we'll swipe over to the monitor screen. So on the monitor screen, it'll kind of list off which channel it has assigned to the outputs. So throttle would be throttle, RAL would be right aileron, LAL would be left aileron, RU would be right rudder, and so forth. I like using this menu to kind of map out, okay, I've set up my wing type, I want to plug in my servos and my controls into this number, and I think of throttles being channel 1, right aileron as being channel 2, and so forth. So if you can follow along with that, that makes setup really easy. Alright, and that's wing types. If you guys have more questions or if you need more information, go to horizonhobby.com.